Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer airbag light on issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An airbag light illuminated in the Ford Explorer indicates that the restraint system has detected a fault and may not operate as intended in the event of a collision. Verified owner reports, service information, and repair data show that airbag warning light concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying based on restraint system design, sensor configuration, and vehicle condition. One verified and frequently reported cause involves wiring or connector issues under the seats. Seat movement can stress wiring harnesses or loosen connectors related to airbag and seat belt sensors, triggering the warning light. This has been widely documented in owner feedback and service records. Another confirmed cause relates to faulty impact or crash sensors. If these sensors send abnormal signals or fail to communicate correctly with the restraint control module, the system may disable the airbags and illuminate the warning light as a safety precaution. Seat belt pretensioner or buckle sensor issues are also documented contributors. Faults in these components can affect the airbag system because they are part of the overall restraint network monitored by the vehicle. Restraint system control module related concerns have also been reported. Internal faults, stored crash data, or communication issues within the module can cause the airbag light to remain on until diagnosed and corrected. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include battery voltage fluctuations, prior accident repairs, or software-related behavior. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning the vehicle for airbag-related fault codes, inspecting and securing wiring and connectors, replacing faulty sensors or pretensioners, and performing module resets or replacements when required. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer airbag light issues are resolved through wiring or sensor-related repairs rather than full airbag replacement. However, outcomes vary by model year and restraint system configuration. In conclusion, a Ford Explorer airbag light on condition is typically linked to sensor, wiring, or control module-related concerns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.